What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the High Performance Trader. I'm your host, Joshua Salvetti, and today we are going to be breaking down yesterday's trade that we took live on YouTube, right? Just so everybody knows, from now on, for the summer, we're trading live every Friday on YouTube. So if you like what you see today and you want to trade with us, all you have to do is hit that like and subscribe so that you get the notification and you're aware of when we're going live, right? So this is a trade that we broke down. It was a beautiful trade right here on Tesla, right? And check it out, ready? Brand new member, joined HPT yesterday. And on the first session, what do you think happened? He was extremely patient. He waited for the edge, right? We went over it. We studied it. So he knew exactly what to look for. The edge presented itself. He executed flawlessly. Look at this man right here. 5 contracts on Tesla, over $900 profit, just following a very simple 3-step approach. And that 3-step approach is the same approach that I am going to teach you today in this lesson. So for anybody that wants to take it one step further and they want to get involved, just like this gentleman did right here, click that first link below. The first link below is going to bring you directly to my website. Not just my website, but a document that is going to teach you this phenomenal strategy, right? The strategy isn't perfect, okay? It's got an 82% win ratio. This is over the last 9 months. I could say this confidently because I have collected data for the last 9 months, right? You click right here. It's going to bring you directly to a PDF where we break down what I like to call a high-level summary on this edge. So basically, that's just a pretty way of saying every single trade I've taken for the last 9 months that quantifies this edge I have documented, right? And right here is the large data review, breaking it down on a month-to-month basis, right? So we're sitting at right around an 82% win ratio, right? We've been executing it flawlessly, and if I've learned anything from this last 9 months, is that you are only as good as the strategy that you follow. So if you want to get involved, you want to learn more, and you want these emailed to you on a weekly basis, I send these out every Sunday, okay? Put your first, last name, email in right here, and I will send them directly to your inbox. And for anybody that's interested in taking it one step further and joining our team, just like that gentleman did, come here, check out the Discord, check out what we offer. I'm currently offering 20% off your first month. Okay, it's just a June special. It's not going to last long. So take advantage while you still can. Okay, so without any further ado, let's break down that beautiful trade on Tesla that we took June 6th, 2025. So basically, every single day is the exact same. Okay, once you realize you're only as good as your strategy and your ability to follow it, you stop playing games, okay? You stop looking for things that don't serve you, and you stay patient, and that's exactly what we did, okay? Tesla's pre-market plan was very simple. Every single day, I plot 4 main price points. This is previous day low, previous day high, previous day open print, and end of day, okay? 4 levels that I call the pit numbers. And then I plot any other level that shows significance. The very important level I was watching was 29826. That level right there showed a lot of significance because it was coming right off the daily time frame. Okay, so a lot of traders ask me, Josh, where do you get your levels? How do you know where it's going to go? I'm always grabbing previous pit numbers. I never grab pre-market high or pre-market low. This has served me exceptionally well. Okay, so I'm just grabbing the open all the way back from May 9th. Okay, so then the market opens up and we're being extremely patient. I'm watching to see who can control this level, right? And guys, once again, you can watch this raw video. It's about 2 hours long. It's us sitting here being patient, waiting, watching SPY, watching Tesla, waiting for our edge to present itself. So what's our edge? That's a phenomenal question. So number 1 is you identify open print. Open print is the 9:30 bell price. Once price goes off, ding ding, that's open print. This level is very important because of its significant volume, excessive. It's way more than usual. Therefore, this is where banks, institutions, and people with influence are making their moves. So we gotta watch it. Number 2, we need a moving average cross. So you'll see right here, we get one. So now our third and final step, the most important part of this strategy, is the RBI GBI entry criteria. Basically, that's an acronym for red bar ignored or green bar ignored. Now, what does this mean? This means I need to get a green bar and then a red bar after it that blows the bottom of that previous green bar out. Then I will take the market short, but I did not get it, okay? And if you guys want more examples, you already know, come to my website, subscribe to the data reports, and you will get 182 trades that we've taken in the last 9 months, right? So basically, my strategy is not present. So what do? Nothing. If my strategy does not present itself, I do nothing. I sit, I'm patient, and I'm allowing the market to communicate to me, okay? It's telling me right here that it's indecisive and it has no good move for me. If my edge is not present, I do not trade. It's as simple as that. Price then rallies up to 29862 and we get some more selling. Now, the EMA cloud's still red, so I'm still bearish. But I still need that green bar to get ignored for me to enter the market, and we don't get it. On the contrary, we get a red bar to get ignored right here. Now, initially, I was interested in taking longs right here, but I didn't because the moving average hasn't crossed yet, okay? So I'm staying patient. I want all 3 steps to my criteria because I know if I follow each and every single step, the probabilities lie in my favor. See, too many traders sacrifice their consistency because of emotion. They want to be right. They want to get it done. They want to force it. They want to get it done and go on to the next level, right? They're trying to control something they have no control over. We need to let go of forcing the market, forcing setups, because this lands us in low probable scenarios. We have to discover an edge, a strategy that has a solid win rate. And when we discover it, we have to stick to it. If we don't stick to it, what's the point? And that's what was going through my mind. If and when my edge will present itself, I will then act. So price comes down. We get a very strong rally back above open print right here. So now all what I need is that red bar to get ignored for me to enter the market long. This is exactly what we did, right? So right here at 10:45 a.m., I'm getting in the market long. And guess where my stop loss goes? Directly below the previous candle, which is bouncing off 29862. So once again, the market is now communicating to me at this level. It's saying, Josh, we were bearish below it, but buyers were much stronger than we thought. How do I know this? Because buyers pushed, sellers try, sellers fail. At this point, I'm in the market long. I'm targeting high of day. I'm targeting 307.13. Right? So this was a beautiful trade. New members were capitalizing on it. You can see him right here. This trader right here got the same Tesla trade over 100%. Let's go. This is what we offer over here at High Performance Trader, is a new way of confidence to get in and out of the market. You don't have to trade with anxiety. You don't have to trade with fear. You have to discover an approach that serves you, one that you can trust. And that's what we offer over here at High Performance Trader. I love you guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit a like, subscribe, send it to somebody that needs it. And I will see you next Friday live on YouTube, 9:15 a.m. Eastern.